What if the future of human evolution isn't natural, but technological? Welcome to the world of bionics. Imagine a future where we don't just use technology, but become part of it. A world where machines don't replace us, but enhance us, becoming extensions of our bodies and minds. This isn't science fiction, it's reality. Bionics is shaping our world and our bodies in ways we never thought possible. So, are you ready? Join us as we delve into this fascinating intersection of biology and technology. Bionics, a term that may sound like science fiction, is very much a reality. But what exactly is bionics? To put it simply, bionics is the merging of biology with electronics. It's an interdisciplinary field that draws from mechanical engineering, biomedical engineering, computer science, and more. The term was coined back in the 1960s, and it's been evolving ever since. Bionics is all about emulating and enhancing natural biological functions through artificial means. This could mean creating a prosthetic limb that moves just like a natural one, or developing a cochlear implant that can restore hearing. The importance of bionics in modern-day science and technology cannot be overstated. It's revolutionizing healthcare, providing new levels of mobility, communication, and sensory perception to those who may have lost these abilities. Bionics is not just a concept anymore. It's a reality that's changing lives. Meet John, a man who's redefining what it means to be human. John's journey into the world of bionics began after a devastating accident that resulted in the loss of his right arm. But he didn't let the accident define him. Instead, it led him to a new path, one that intersects humanity and technology in the most profound way. John's life took a turn when he received a bionic limb, a marvel of modern science and engineering. This wasn't just any prosthetic. It was a limb that could respond to his thoughts, a limb that could feel and touch, a limb that could be as much a part of him as the one he lost. John's bionic limb is equipped with sensors that detect muscle movements in his upper arm. These signals are then translated into movements, allowing him to control the prosthetic just by thinking about the action he wants to perform. But the limb doesn't just give back mobility, it also provides sensory feedback. This means John can feel the texture of objects, the warmth of a handshake, the coolness of a glass of water. The impact of this technology on John's life has been transformative. He's not just adapting to life with a prosthetic limb, he's thriving. He's back to doing the things he loves, playing the guitar, cooking, even typing out his own story. It's not just about regaining lost abilities, but also about discovering new potentials. John's experience with bionics has also shifted his perspective on life. He sees his bionic limb not as a replacement, but as an extension of himself, an embodiment of human resilience and innovation. It's a testament to the incredible things we can achieve when we merge man and machine. In the grand scheme of things, John's story is just one amongst many. But it's stories like his that remind us of the transformative power of technology, of its ability to not just change lives, but to redefine what it means to be human. For John, bionics isn't just technology, it's a new lease on life. But how does a prosthetic limb work, you may ask? Well, let's delve into the fascinating world of bionic limbs. These sophisticated devices mimic natural movements, offering a sense of normalcy and enhanced mobility to those who use them. At the heart of the technology is a concept known as biomimicry, the practice of imitating nature's time-tested patterns and strategies. By replicating the intricate mechanics of human joints and muscles, prosthetic limbs can perform complex movements with remarkable fluidity. But that's not all. Advanced bionic limbs also incorporate sensory feedback systems. These systems relay information about touch and temperature, allowing users to feel their surroundings, much like a biological limb would. Powering all this is a combination of microprocessors and miniaturized motors, which work in harmony to interpret and execute the wearer's intended movements. It's a symphony of technology, biology, and human will. In essence, bionic limbs are a testament to human ingenuity. Now let's meet Lisa, a woman who communicates with machines using her mind. Lisa is not a character from a science fiction novel. She's a real person living in our world today. She's part of a burgeoning group of people who are using brain-computer interfaces to redefine their capabilities and transform their lives. Lisa was born with a condition that left her unable to speak or move her limbs. For many years, she relied on others for basic tasks. But all that changed when she was introduced to a breakthrough technology, a brain-computer interface. This device, a tiny chip implanted in her brain, picks up signals from her neurons and translates them into commands that can control a computer or other electronic devices. Imagine the possibilities that opened up for Lisa. Suddenly, she could communicate her thoughts and feelings, surf the internet, and even control a robotic arm to feed herself, all with the power of her mind. This wasn't just about convenience, it was a seismic shift in how she interacted with the world. She had gained a level of independence she had never known before. But the benefits of brain-computer interfaces go beyond functional improvements. For Lisa and others like her, this technology has had a profound emotional impact. It has given her a voice, a way to express herself that was previously inaccessible. It has allowed her to connect with others in a way she never could before. Technology and biology have always had a symbiotic relationship, with one influencing the evolution of the other. But with brain-computer interfaces, we're witnessing a new level of integration that's blurring the line between the two. For Lisa, the brain-computer interface isn't just a tool, it's a part of her. The story of Lisa is not an isolated one. It's a testament to the transformative power of bionics and a glimpse into a future where the boundaries between human and machine continue to blur. Today, there are thousands of people across the globe who, like Lisa, are using brain-computer interfaces to navigate their world in new and exciting ways. For Lisa, Bionics has opened a new world of possibilities. And as we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, who's to say what the future might hold? But how does one communicate with a machine using just thoughts? It's a fascinating question, isn't it? Well, let's unravel the mystery of brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs as they're often called. These marvels of technology are designed to read and interpret neural signals. The human brain is an intricate network of neurons, each firing electrical impulses that carry information. BCIs tap into this network, capturing these electrical impulses or brainwaves, if you will. This data is then processed and translated into commands that a machine can understand. The more sophisticated the BCI, the greater its ability to interpret complex thoughts and intentions. Some BCIs even allow for two-way communication, enabling the brain to receive feedback from the machine. Imagine feeling the texture of a virtual object or controlling a robotic arm as naturally as your own. It's a brave new world that we're stepping into. Brain-computer interfaces are pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. The stories of John and Lisa are not isolated cases. Bionics is positively impacting people across the globe. It's improving quality of life for those who have lost limbs, restoring mobility, and providing renewed independence. But it's not just about replacing what's been lost. Bionics is offering entirely new capabilities. Imagine a world where the blind can see, the deaf can hear, and the paralyzed can walk again. This is the world that Bionics is creating. Bionics is transforming lives, one innovation at a time. But with great power comes great responsibility. The advent of Bionics ushers in a new age of possibilities, but it also raises profound ethical and philosophical questions. Are there boundaries that we should not cross in merging man and machine? How do we ensure that these advancements are accessible to all, and not just a privileged few? What happens when a prosthetic limb outperforms a natural one? Does it create an unfair advantage, potentially leading to a society divided between the augmented and the non-augmented? And let's not forget about brain-computer interfaces. The potential for direct communication between the mind and machines is exciting, but it also opens up concerns about privacy and potential misuse. Who gets to control our thoughts if they're interfaced with a machine? As we embrace bionics, we must also grapple with these important questions. After all, it's not just about what we can do, but also about what we should do. So what does the future hold for bionics? As we peer into the horizon, we see a future rich with potential. We envision increased integration of bionics into our daily lives, creating a seamless blend of human and machine. More sophisticated interfaces could provide unparalleled control and sensory feedback. And new applications? They're limited only by our imagination. From enhancing athletic performance to aiding in space exploration, the possibilities are boundless. The future of bionics is as exciting as it is unknown. In this journey through the world of bionics, we've seen the incredible potential of this technology. From prosthetic limbs that offer enhanced mobility and sensory feedback, to brain-computer interfaces enabling direct communication between the mind and machines, bionics is transforming lives. Yet it also raises profound ethical and philosophical questions about the essence of humanity in this era of augmentation. As we step into the future, bionics promises to redefine what it means to be human. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of bionics. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to hear your thoughts on bionics in the comments below. Stay curious, stay informed, and let's unlock the future together. Welcome back, curious minds. As we continue our exploration into bionics, there is so much more to discover. Bionics isn't just about prosthetic limbs and brain-computer interfaces. It stretches across various fields, including sensory augmentation, organ replacement, and even enhancing human abilities beyond their natural limits. Examples abound, from bionic eyes restoring sight to the blind, to bionic hearts that could potentially outlast our biological ones. The impact of bionics is profound, offering hope and solutions to people with disabilities, and opening up possibilities for human enhancement that were once the stuff of science fiction. Bionics continues to amaze and inspire us, pushing the boundaries of what we understand about the human body and technology's role in augmenting it. Stay tuned for more exciting content as we delve deeper into this fascinating world. Let's dive deeper into the world of bionics. As we've seen, bionics is more than just a marvel of engineering. It's a lifeline for those who've lost limbs, a new hope for those living with paralysis, and a beacon of innovation in the world of medicine. Take the case of bionic hearts, which are being developed to outlast our biological ones and could revolutionize the field of organ transplantation. Or consider the role of bionics in scientific research, where it's helping us unlock the secrets of the human brain and nervous system. Looking into the future, the role of bionics in healthcare is set to increase. With advancements in technology and research, we could see bionic solutions for a wider range of health issues, enhancing quality of life and even extending it. Bionics is truly revolutionary, pushing the boundaries of our understanding and capabilities. It's a testament to human innovation and our relentless pursuit to improve and enhance life. So, stay with us as we continue to explore the astonishing world of bionics in our next videos. But let's not forget, bionics is not just about technology. It's about the people whose lives have been transformed by these advancements. In our next segment, we'll hear personal stories from those who've embraced bionics. From the young athlete who's back on the field thanks to a prosthetic limb, to the grandmother who's able to hug her grandchildren again with a bionic arm. We'll delve into their emotional journeys, the struggles, the triumphs, and the sheer joy of regaining lost abilities. Because at the heart of it all, bionics is about people. It's about giving individuals a second chance at a normal life and opening up a world of possibilities they thought they'd lost. So stay tuned for these inspiring stories in our next video. As we journey further into the world of bionics, we must also address some of the misconceptions that surround it. Many fear that bionics will replace our human abilities, or that they're reserved only for the wealthy. However, the reality is far from it. B-roll change bionics is about enhancing human capabilities, not replacing them, and advancements in technology are making it more accessible to everyone. B-roll change. Living with bionics is not a futuristic fantasy, but a present reality for many. B-roll change. And as we continue to understand and embrace it, we'll be able to unlock its full potential. So let's dispel the myths and embrace the future of bionics. B-roll change. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the fascinating world of bionics in our next video. As we near the end of our journey, let's take a moment to envision the future of bionics. B-roll change. Picture a world where bionics not only replace lost functions but enhance our capabilities beyond our wildest dreams. B-roll change. Imagine a time where we can connect our brains directly to machines, or where prosthetic limbs are so advanced they surpass natural human abilities. B-roll change bionics has the potential to revolutionize our world, breaking barriers and redefining what it means to be human. B-roll change. The possibilities are endless, and the future of bionics is bright, promising a world where technology and humanity merge seamlessly. B-roll change. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the exciting possibilities of bionics in our next video.